Hey everyone, welcome back to the SEOCurrent YouTube channel. If you've been searching for ways to make serious money online, stick around because today, we're diving into something super exciting: how to build an $8,000 per month online business using ChatGPT. That's right, AI isn't just for tech geeks anymore, it's a money-making machine for anyone willing to get creative. So, let's break down exactly how you can get started. First off, what's ChatGPT? It's an AI language model developed by OpenAI, capable of generating human-like text based on the prompts you provide. But here's the kicker: it's not just a tool for chatting, it can write, brainstorm, code, translate, and so much more. Think of ChatGPT as your 24/7 virtual assistant ready to tackle almost any task you throw at it. Whether you're creating content, managing social media, doing customer support, or even developing business ideas, ChatGPT is your partner in crime. And today, we're going to show you 5 practical ways to turn this AI into an income-generating machine. Let's start with content creation services. Businesses are always in need of fresh content, blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, and more. With ChatGPT, you can offer these services without the usual writer's block or time constraints. Imagine charging $100 per article and completing 80 articles a month. That's your $8,000 right there. Set up a Fiverr or Upwork account, create a portfolio, and start marketing your services. The key here is to find your niche. Maybe you specialize in tech blogs or fashion descriptions. The more you refine your offerings, the more clients will see you as an expert, and the easier it will be to charge premium rates. Next up, email marketing campaigns. Email is still one of the most effective marketing tools out there, but writing engaging emails that convert can be a challenge. That's where ChatGPT steps in. Offer to create personalized email sequences for businesses. A well-drafted email campaign can easily go for $500 to $1,000 per client, depending on its complexity. Approach small businesses, e-commerce stores, or even other freelancers. Highlight how your AI-powered service can save them time and boost their sales. Remember, it's all about delivering value, and with ChatGPT, you're providing high-quality content faster than any human could alone. If teaching or writing is your thing, consider creating online courses or ebooks. ChatGPT can help you generate content quickly, from writing course scripts to formatting ebooks. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easier than ever to sell digital products. Sell a course for $100 and aim for just 80 sales a month. That's $8,000 in your pocket. The beauty of digital products is that they can become a source of passive income once they're up and running. Keep refining your content with feedback, and over time, your earnings can even surpass $8,000 a month. Another golden opportunity is using ChatGPT for chatbots and customer support. Businesses are always looking for ways to enhance their customer service without breaking the bank. You can create customized chatbots that answer FAQs, handle bookings, or even upsell products. Offer this as a service on platforms like Shopify, WordPress, or directly to businesses. Set up a basic bot for $500, and with just 16 clients a month, you've hit your target. Plus, once the chatbot is built, there's little ongoing work, making this another semi-passive income stream. Lastly, let's talk about social media management. Managing a brand's social presence is a full-time job, but with ChatGPT, you can automate a lot of the content creation. From writing posts to generating hashtags and captions, ChatGPT has you covered. Pitch a package to manage a company's social media for $2,000 per month. With just 4 clients, you're already looking at $8,000. The key is to prove your value early on, show how you can increase engagement, followers, or even direct sales through your efforts. So there you have it, 5 practical ways to turn ChatGPT into an $8,000 per month business. The opportunities are endless, and with AI tools like this, the barriers to entry are lower than ever. All you need is a bit of creativity, some hustle, and a willingness to learn as you go. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to SEOCurrent for more actionable business tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Let's make that money with ChatGPT. See you in the next one.